In this video, we're going to show you how to install the wheel hub mounting studs on your Jeep Wrangler, located on the back side of your wheel hubs. Using a 19mm socket, go ahead, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Once you remove the lug nuts, remove the wheel and set it aside. Now on the back side of the knuckle, we're going to find three 13mm bolts that go through the knuckle and into the wheel hub. There's one right here. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove that. Now we're going to replace the three of these bolts securing the wheel bearing to the knuckle. We can simply do them one at a time. So you can go ahead and remove this one here, set it aside. We have the new bolt here. We put some anti-seize compound on there. Put that in. Thread that in as far as you can get it, and then we'll go ahead and snug that down. We're going to repeat that process for the other two. The replacement units are 14mm. And just snug that down. Let's go ahead and get to the top bolt. It's positioned right up at 12 o'clock. Now our third and last one here is just almost level with the bottom of our brake caliper. Now I want to go ahead and torque these bolts down to 75 foot-pounds. Once you've finished torquing these bolts, you can go ahead and install your wheel and you're all set. Go ahead and install your wheel. Get our lug nuts threaded on here. Go ahead and torque down your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.